And can I push the button? No. Can me and my friend hit the button as well?
There's not really any buttons to press. Or I guess you can press this one.
And are you recording?
Yeah, I already started.
You can press the geodeck button right here. The one that says geodeck.
Okay.
Yep, just press that.
This one?
Yes. All right.
Oh,
Here we come
that's.
to the elevators at Reunion Tower in downtown Dallas.
Wow, this is a nice elevator.
Modernize the fixtures. Here we go. All right, now which button do I press?
Yes. Just be tower base. Or let me. Tower base. This one. Okay.
Detail cameo this.
I want to stand on this side now.
All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and look out the view.
Okay.
You see the TRE into Union Station right there.
Yes. I want to do an indicator view now. Yeah, I'm just showing to where it says XX. Okay, now it says 1. Alright, the doors are going to open up now.
Yep, same Schindler sign as the one inside the Hyatt Regency Hotel. All right, we're gonna go in and watch the door close, and I do have the top of that music. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.
I want to get a